In this video I will show you how to add voiceover on Reels. So open Facebook account, then you have to sign in. I have already signed in. Scroll down and you will see Reels option. Just click Reels and you can use your mobile camera to create Reels, or you have to select the drop down here and select videos. From here select any videos you want to add voiceover. Then you will see audio option here. Just tap on the audio option. You can mute the original video sound by just clicking the audio tab here, and now we can easily add voiceover by just tapping add voiceover on the bottom. Click microphone option here and add some voiceover. After adding some voiceover, you have to click done button on the top right corner. Done button, otherwise it won't save. Now voiceover will be added to your videos. So hope you like this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.